Hey everyone, welcome back to Agape Love. Today we are making this beautiful crochet headband that is not only super cute but also very easy and fun to make. This headband is soft, stretchy, comfortable to wear and perfect for every season. So in this tutorial I'll guide you through the entire process step by step so you can easily crochet along with me. So here I'm using these two colors of yarn. Crochet hook is 4.0 mm and a pair of scissors. So we will take the white yarn and make a slip knot. After slip knot, now make 35 chains. So our 35 chain is complete. Now let's add 2 more chains. Now into the third chain from our hook, 1, 2, 3. Here we will do yarn over a hook. Then insert your hook, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Again yarn over and pull through only 2 loops. Then again yarn over your hook into the same chain, insert your hook, pull up a loop and pull through 2 loops like this. Now you should have 3 loops on your hook, then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And after this add chain 2, 1 and 2. Now again do the same stitch into the same chain gap. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Again yarn over your hook, insert your hook, pull up a loop, then pull through 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through these 3 loops. So these are 2 petals of the flower. Now we will skip 1, 2 and 3 chains. Into the 4th one again we will do the same stitch. Yarn over your hook, insert hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops like this. Again pull through 2 loops. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through these 3 loops and then chain 2, 1, 2. Again into the same chain gap, same pattern until you have 3 loops on your hook, then pull through all 3. So like this, complete till the end. So our row 1 is complete and we have 2 chains left. Now skip this 1 chain into next one, which is our last chain. We will work 1 double crochet, pull through 2, then pull through 2, and then we will do chain 4. And now we will work on the other side of our foundation chain into these gaps where we did our 2 petals. The same process, pull up a loop, then pull through only 2 loops. Again insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through only 2 loops. You have 3 loops on your hook, pull through all 3, then chain 2. To the same gap, again pull up a loop, pull through 2, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, then pull through all 3. So like this, complete the row. So this row is also complete. Let's do our last petal. And now we will add 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and where we did our first 3 chains, now we will insert our hook into this 3rd chain and work 1 slip stitch. After slip stitch, chain 1, pull a long loop and then cut the yarn. So the base is complete. You can see the flowers with 4 petals. right here we will attach our green yarn. So insert your hook and pull a loop of the green yarn, and make sure you're securing both the ends like this. And now do chain 2. And now we will work into this gap. So here we will work 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2, and then 2 double crochet into the same gap, and then again we will work 2 half double crochet. And then right here into this gap we will work 1 single crochet. So insert your hook and then work 1 single crochet while securing the ends. So like this we will make the cute edges to our headband. Now again into this gap work 2 half double crochet, and then 2 double crochet, then again 2 half double crochet, and then 1 single crochet to this gap. So like this complete till the end. So our one side is complete, and to this gap we will work 1 single crochet. After 1 single crochet, now in this side let's do 30 chains. This 30 chain is the left side of the strap of our headband. So let's complete 30 chains. After 30 chains we will add 4 more chains, and then into the third chain from the hook, and we will work 2 half double crochet. After 2 half double crochet, now let's do 3 double crochet. So this half double crochets will give perfect finishing touch to the strap of our headband. Let's complete this. And after 3 double crochets, again we will work 2 half double crochet. And now into these chains we will work single crochet till the end. Let's do our second last single crochet, then last single crochet, and then our left side of the strap is complete. Get this with a cute finishing end. And now again we will work 1 single crochet into this gap. So after 1 single crochet, again we will do the same pattern we did on the other side of the headband, which is same. Again into this gap work 2 half double crochet, and then 2 double crochet, then again 2 half double crochet, and then 1 single crochet into this stitch. So like this complete the row till the end. So the other side is also complete. Now let's do the strap of the right side. Again 1 single crochet and then chain 30. And after 30 chains, add 2 more chains, and then into the third chain from the hook, 2 half double crochet, and then 3 double crochet, then again 2 half double crochet. Now work 1 single crochet into these chains till the end. And then again we will work 1 single crochet. Now let's complete this with 1 slip stitch into this chain 2. So insert your hook, then work 1 slip stitch and then chain 1, make a long loop and then cut this off, and make sure you are hiding both the tails. So our headband is complete. Stretch both the straps and give them a good shape. And now let's hide this tail to give it a perfect finishing from the both sides. So our crochet headband is complete. It turned out to be so cute and comfortable to wear. You can also decorate it with crochet bow or flower or any button. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials. And let me know in the comments what crochet project you want to see next. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.